Introducing the Optrotech Fiber Optical Power Meter, ALK 1001D. It integrates the handheld optical power meter and the intelligent optical power meter into one unit. It can be used for the absolute power measurement and the relative measurement of the link loss in dB. Its compactor size and friendly operation interface, broad power measurement range, high precision, a brand new user automatic calibration function, and higher performance in application make it an ideal tool for optical fiber networks.